Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Rena. Today we're going to talk about how to make the angle on the both side of the plates. Okay, so I know you guys wait for so long, and today I finally find the time to make this video. Okay, so let's start today's video. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so because of the RS 4.0 systems, the video, and there's a lot of people asking, they made assistance but they don't know how to figure to make the angle on the both side of the plate. So because to myself, be honestly, I'm using the Proxim, the machines, and to make the angles, but unfortunately I know there's a lot of people watching my channel, they don't have that machines, so it takes me lots of time to think about how to make that, and I couldn't find the idea. So, and that's also a reason why I have been stopped uploading and updating my channel for so long, because I'm run out of the idea. But today there's a lot of people still asking, so I just finally find the time to try to figure out how to make, using the handmade, find a way to make the angles on the plates. Okay, so you can see on this side we make the angles on the plates already. So I already made the video, and you guys can see the tutorial for this video, and hopefully this can help you to figure out how to make the angle on the plate. Okay, maybe this is not the best way to make it, but I try my best and to try to find a way to help you guys, especially there's like, I know there's some people, they don't have those kind of tools, so this is my solution. Okay, so let's start today's video. Let's go. Okay, so now you know how to make the angles, and there's one thing is you can see here I only make the 19 and 13 millimeter roller this spot, but for some people, if you are looking for using the 9 millimeters, there's only one way you can do is you can see the washers under this here. You just need to put a little bit more washers, and to make this pieces a little bit higher, then you'll be able to sand up till this 9 millimeters, because you have to sand a little bit deeper and to get yourself to using the 9 millimeter rollers. And if you're asking me why I'm using the damper, the split damper, it's very simple, because this one can hide it, like the countersunk, we can hide the screws, and also this is for easier for me to block it, and also when I sand it, and you can makes this pieces has the same level and makes me easier to sand it, and especially for whole pieces it's a little bit heavy, so it's easy for you to hold it. Okay, so this is the solution that I can found, like what I'm thinking to solve the problem, especially for those people who are asking me how to make the angles, and this is my solutions. And of course, if you have some better idea, please leave your comment at the bottom and let's figure that out. And maybe if that's a really good idea, then I can make another video and to show to more people, and then we can learn from each other. Okay, so this is today's video, and hopefully it helps you guys. All right, so I will see you next time. Bye bye.